Hello, I'm Philip Stoughton. I'm at SMTA Guadalajara 2024, and I'm joined by Vitor Barros from iRaptor. Vitor, great to see you.
Great to see you too.
Been hearing about this product for some considerable time. It's finally out in the market. It's starting to get traction, and you brought it here to Mexico with the partnership with Quiptech. Start by telling me a bit about the development of the product and how it's unique in the market.
The development of the product came by all the team contribution from each other, the large experience that we have on this business, and this helped creating something unique, so-called the 4D unit.
Yeah, tell me about the fourth dimension.
All the other units on the market, they are two-dimension, temperature over time. This one has the pyrometers inside that they are mapping the interior of the machine and creating or documenting how the machine is behaving from profile to profile. That is the 3D. The vibration with 3 axes, plus and minus, X, Y, Z, gives the 4D.
Yeah.
And it gives something unique to the market because can measure the vibration with or without the temperature.
Yeah.
Being the part of without the temperature, making this unit completely universal.
Yeah.
Being able to measure any equipment that is on the production floor, from pick and places, AOIs, SPIs, in-feed conveyors, out-feed conveyors, a compressor, a vacuum machine.
Wow. So you could actually use it without it going in the oven if you wanted to, just to do the vibration measurement.
That is the beautiful part of this technology. It became universal.
Yeah, and when you look at mapping an oven with the pyrometers, with the regular temperature over time, and with the fourth dimension of vibration, you're getting a very big picture, not just for quality control, but also for traceability. How has the market responded?
They are responding very positively because it brings an insight of something that was a concern, but nobody had an idea what were the numbers involved on around the vibration mix with temperatures. And nowadays, our customers, they have already a starting point, a baseline, where everything is okay, and whenever the numbers start to drift, they are able to capture and intervene on the equipment before the equipment crashes.
Yeah, so before it goes out of spec. And have you been surprised when you started to collect the data how important that vibration has become and how variable it is?
I'm learning on a daily basis the dynamics of machines that they are black boxes, and where the chain vibration was almost always the guilty one. And I start to realize together with our customers that the fan also brings vibration to the products. Extremely critical, that creates a lot of quality issues.
Yeah.
And those can be caught before creates the quality issues with our technology.
Well, that's what you want. You want to be able to identify the trend and stop it before it goes out of spec. That's the important part. And the product's made in Portugal.
Yes, I call
Portuguese
it this
company.
Yes, fully 100% Portuguese. I call it this handcraft technology product. So built with a lot of concerns and being a unique and differentiator product.
Yeah.
And disruptive also.
Yeah, and I know you, Vitor, from the past. I know you would have been fanatical in the design and you would have got it absolutely how you wanted before going to the market. And it's not just about the hardware, it's about the software as well. It has to be easy to use as well as doing the job.
Oh, it is extremely user friendly. For the user, for the persons that they are already used to run profiles, this makes their life much easier because the interface is extremely to the highest level of user friendliness. If that word exists.
Yeah, it absolutely does. Vitor, thanks for talking to me. Good luck with the product, and we'll chat again soon. Thank you.
Thank you so much.